First Robotics Team 1511 presents We Can Robot.
Hi everyone, my name is Nicole and I am part of First Robotics Team 1511 Rolling Thunder from Penfield, New York. Being part of a robotics team means that my teammates, mentors, and I work together to design, build, program, and compete with our robots. Our goal is to encourage students like you to love science and technology as much as we do. Today we are asking the question, what is a robot? Robots can look like almost anything and can be used to complete almost any task. For our team, a robot is something that is used to complete a set of tasks in the form of a game. The first organization is for inspiration and recognition of science and technology, and they provide teams like us with new games every year to design a robot for. The robots we make look different than robots like R2-D2 and C-3PO, or the robots that might vacuum your floor. Now over to my team member Elliot, with a tech talk diving deeper into what a robot really is.
Robots are machines that perform tasks without the help of a person. But robots can only do what a person has built them to do. They can come in many forms and sizes. Maybe you have read a book or watched a movie with robots in them. Robots can be made of all different kinds of parts, depending on the job it was built to do. Our robot has power supplies, so they have energy to move. Motors, which converts energy into movement. Sensors, which are devices that detect something specific, like a certain color. Wheels, on which we call a drive base, and a computer, the brain, that controls them. And then the fun is designing and building all of the attachments that make our robot able to play in a different game every year. Robots are usually controlled by a computer program or other electronics. Our robotics team has a programming sub-team that writes code to tell our robot what to do. Sometimes we drive a robot with controllers, like this Xbox controller, or a dance mat. Other times, our robot is in autonomous mode, where it drives itself.
Robots can be designed to look like and do almost anything, so we want to know what your robot would do. Our challenge is for you to design a robot to complete a task, like our robot does. This task can be an everyday activity, like washing the dishes or making your bed, or it could even be designed to bring you to the moon. Whether your robot is meant to complete a task or just be an awesome robot is up to you, so be creative with it. So go ahead, design a robot. Make a drawing, create your robot with Legos, or use whatever you want to show the world what your robot can do. Share your creation with your friends and family, and if you would like, share your creation with us by following the directions at the end of this video. We would love to see what you made and may feature some of your designs in one of our next videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing what you all have created. Make sure to look for our next video. See you later, and stay safe.